welcome back to Home Economics with Amy. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your shower, your toilet, pretty much your entire bathroom. So, let's get started. Supplies you're going to need is a jug to rinse off the shower, a scrub brush to scrub the shower and sink, glass cleaner for the mirrors, Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, Power Foam Lysol for the shower, disinfectant wipes, or you can use paper towels and a cleaner, and a toilet bowl scrub brush. First, I'm going to clear the bathroom to create a clean cleaning space. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is the shower and toilet. We're going to get the water a little hot, and we're going to fill up our jug. And we're going to give a quick rinse around the entire shower, just to get it just a little wet. There we go. Okay, once we did that, we're going to take our Lysol Power Foam shower cleaner, and we're going to spray the entire shower and tub. There you go. We're just going to let it sit there, and while we let that sit, we're going to work on the toilet bowl. So what I like to use is the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner with bleach. Now while the shower is sitting in cleaner, I also like to let the toilet bowl sit in cleaner. Those two are just one of the dirtiest things. So while that and the shower are doing its work, we're going to go over and clean the counters. So, I like to clean the mirrors first because sometimes the Windex drips onto the counter. So I don't want to clean the counter and then the mirrors and then re-clean the counter. Now in cleaning the mirrors, you always want to start at the top and work your way down. Cleaning the mirrors, all you need is some glass cleaner and some paper towels. I like to spray the sink. I like to clog one sink, put a little bit of water in it, a little bit of hot water. How shiny and clean that is. Now that we've cleaned the sink and given the shower time to soak, we're just going to fill up the bathtub really fast. Just a little bit of water. Okay, let's go. See how I'm doing circular motions? That helps get any grime that may have come, any leftover conditioner, shampoo. It helps clean it off real good. Fill this pitcher with hot water and rinse it down. Great job, guys. Your shower is clean. Okay, let's move on to the toilet. We're going to take our toilet brush here, and we are going to swish, 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 swish around the sides. Swish, 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 swish. Get in there. Go around, all the way around. All the way. Yes. Clean, clean, clean that toilet. Woohoo! Now, we're going to flush it down. Look how clean that toilet is. Good job, guys. Next, we're going to take our disinfectant wipes, and we're going to start at the top of the toilet, work down to the lid, the base, and then finally, the last but not least, the seat. Let's clean. See how much hair and dust you can get around the toilet? So don't forget to do that. After you clean the toilet, I definitely suggest washing your hands with soap. There are so many germs. Now, after you've cleaned everything, let's just wipe up the floor with a wet paper towel and some disinfectant. Not least, don't forget to take out the trash and replace it with a new trash bag. Voila! Your bathroom is clean. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to clean a bathroom, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!